Welcome to the Junior Achievement Canada RoboGarden platform. In this video, I am going to show you how to log into your instructor or teacher profile, and then how to navigate around some of the menu options. So the first thing that we need to do is navigate to the RoboGarden website. You can use the link provided to you by RoboGarden. It'll be something like ja.robogarden.ca, and that will take you to the login page. It'll look something like this behind me. So all you need to do is enter the instructor login name that was provided to you by RoboGarden in this field here, and then enter the password that was provided, and then in the lower right hand corner, just click on the login button. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard page, which looks like this. Right now, I have one course coming up, and I don't have any currently running courses. Inside of my upcoming course, I have a total of 2 learners registered. This is just a sample course, so you can kind of see how the dashboard works. If I had a currently running course, there would be a chart here where this blue bar is, and it would show you a summary table of the submissions of all the learners in the different courses. Along the left-hand side of the platform here are the different areas in the platform. So we're currently in the dashboard. We can take a look at the courses. This will show you all of the courses that you are have underneath your profile. So courses that are currently running, that will be running, or that have already ended. Underneath here, we have the list of modules that belong to this course that we have selected. If we go to projects, we can take a look at all the projects that exist in our profile. Discover will let you take a look at all the projects that have been created by the learners in your courses, as well as there's some preloaded samples available here. Support is how you contact our technical support team, and there's also a calendar down here so that you can see the upcoming due dates in your running courses. Just going to go back to the dashboard for a second, and in the very upper right hand corner up here, if you click on the little circle, you can access your profile. So from here you can change your name if you need to, or your email. You can also change your password here by entering your current password and adding a new one. If you need to reach technical support, you can access it from here as well. There's also a notification bell. So as students are submitting and working through their assignments, you'll see notifications start to pop up here. And there's also a help center. To log out, just go back to your profile and select the log out button, and it will take you back to the login page. I definitely recommend doing that, especially if you're on a shared computer. All right, so in this video, I showed you how to log in as an instructor to our JA RoboGarden website, the platform, and how to navigate some of the different areas of the platform, as well as your personal profile. In following videos, I'll do a deeper dive into each of the sections and show you how to use them and how the course content itself is set up.